Hey everybody, and happy March.
Yay.
I want you to check out our newsletter this month. You're going to see some wonderful events that are happening in our great town of San Antonio. One of the things that we're pointing out is some things that are happening at Rainbow Gardens. It's springtime.
It is spring, yay! So they've got a couple of classes, seminars going on. One is how to care for your roses. And we're going to show you in a little bit how Michelle needs to go to this class. And the other one is that it's almost monarch season, so they're going to teach you how to start native monarch from seeds. And it's really important that we use native milkweed rather for our monarchs, because from each area they go to, we need what's native so it continues to grow.
By the way, I got these beautiful flowers at Rainbow Gardens. We love them.
Yes, gorgeous. And here's her little rose bushes that she needs to work on. Realty Advantage.
And I'm Michelle Plazik with Remax Realty Advantage.
Together we are Buy, Sell, Love San Antonio.
We did want to give you a quick market update. The sales in February were just a little bit lower than they were the month before, which is surprising. Price changes are remaining the same.
Yep. Our inventory is down slightly, which is kind of typical for March, so no worries there. And our average price is $372,000. Average days on market, this is a big change from what people are used to still, is about 76 days on market.